Good day. In today's video I will show you how to replace the support on the stabilization bar. You are on the largest Mercedes W124 channel. I'm Hervé and I will show it to you. Why do we need to change that part? Well, because it tends to break. Well, at least I had that problem several times. You see on this one, for instance, here it gets connected to the bar, and it broke right in the middle. On this car, for instance, it broke here. Okay. So how do we know we need to change it? Well, because it's broken. Obviously now the metal is not connected, and when you go through a bump or stuff like that, you will hear. Okay, you will hear a noise. Okay, so you know there's a problem. The other way to know we got a problem with this, if you look on one side of the car and the other side of the car, here you will not notice it because the land is not flat. Okay, but if for instance you park in the street, you will notice that above the wheel and the fender, okay, you've got a distance, for instance this, okay, and on the other side of the car it will be less where it's broken. So you will notice that. In case, you can do as well, you can turn the wheel completely, and normally by eyesight you will see it immediately that it's broken. Now be careful before to change it, because there's a left side and there's a right side. Okay, so I will give you the part number anyway, and I will show you the difference. Now you have the part number on the video. Okay, so if you need to buy the right or left side, okay, so look at the difference. You see here it's slightly different, it's opposite. Apart from that, it's the same here. Okay, you see here the curve as well, it's different. So how it's mounted? Well, it's very easy. Here it's held by a bolt of 17, okay, and here it's held by two bolts of 13, okay, and here we've got the bar that goes inside with the rubber. Okay, so now I will show you, I will turn the wheel, I will show you where it's broken, so like that you will see that you can see it simply by looking at it, and later we'll raise the car and we'll change it. Well, that's it. I've turned a bit the wheel, and now we'll zoom in and hopefully you will see it. Okay, can you see the stabilization bar here? And you can see the part is tilted and broken. It should be straight. Okay, so now let's raise the car and change this. Okay, I've raised the car and I hope you will be able to see it. Okay, now let's see. Okay, so that's the part we want to remove, you can see. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll remove the two bolts of 13 here, so like that I recover the part. Okay, and then I'll remove it on top there. Okay, you will see as well that where the bolt is, there's like a washer, okay, like a squarish washer. Okay, at the same time that you're gonna remove this, just have a look at those rubbers. Okay, but because it's possible that you may have to change them as well. Okay, so we go. Let me remove this and that and take the part out. I now have the part, you see where it's been broken. Okay, and this is what I was telling you about. Okay, that goes on top of it. Okay, so you can't go wrong. You see this goes inside this. Okay, you can't place it the other way around. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna fit it back. So I will place this inside the rubber, then fit it at the top, and then finish with it. The part is now fitted. As you can see, I just need to tighten it. Okay, and what you may have a problem, so it's very difficult to shoot under the car like that. Okay, so anyway, for it to fit properly on top and at the bottom, okay, it may be possible that you need to raise or lower the bar. Okay, so look what I've done. Here I obviously got ramps, the car's on ramps, but I've used as well the jack. Okay, and with the jack I've raised the car a little bit, so like that this move the bar here, and I can make it, I can place it way easier. Okay, so all I need to do now is to tighten this properly, the two of 13 and the one of 17, and the job is done. That's it, job done. As you can see, it's very easy, so you can do it yourself too. Okay, I hope that you have liked the video. I hope it's useful to you, and we'll see each other in the next one. Take care.